So we are here to occupy the airport. Occupation watu wanafikiria ngani kupiga kelele. Hapana, occupation ni kuhakikisha kwamba whatever is meant to happen is not happening. Whatever is meant to happen is not happening. Hao watu wamekaa hapa kuanzia 4 am. They were supposed to fly out to different destinations. Wanachanga maandamano itaanza saa ngapi? Maandamano itaanza saa zile hao sio kasi mbaya sana. Like karibu. Hiyo things are boiling nicely. Hey, imagine someone was supposed to fly out here 4:50. We've been here since morning. Tunapaka panya, of course, woga. Tunajiuliza, oh, is it going to be? Is it going? But have you seen a plane coming out? No.
We saw one kama ilikuwa inaingia ikaamuka na tena
na ikachomoka. Wanazunguka tu watazunguka. That's totally fine. But these are international departures. Yes. Wamekaa hapa. Time sisi wote tutakasirika. Atuseme Adani has to go because that's the only condition. If Adani is still here, we vow to occupy kitu, and even if it means us booking flights, and I've said it time without number, that we will book 1,000 flights for Kenyan youth. Tuseme tunaenda Kisumu na tutakuja tulale kwa runway. Adani has to go. And big shout out to Nelson Amenya who brought this to our to light, because we would never have known the nitty-gritties of this. Yes. Because as we've said, to anyone who's trying to understand what this scandal is, whatever this big thing is, this place is like a bus station. Hakuna tofauti hapa ya koja, ya commercial, ya BS. That's what it is. It just has several types of buses. It has KQ, it has Turkish, it has Qatar, it has British Airways, it has KLM, whatever. Hizo ni kama Super Metro, Double M, City Hopper, whatever. Sasa kama KQ ina make losses, unataka kuuzia mtu hiki kitu ikwe private property. That's the thing which we're saying. It is absolutely impossible. And here they are lying to KIA staff, and that's what we are waiting for. Kama wanafikiria waliona maandamano iko karibu kuanza. Because if these demona court sijui wamekuja hapa, if they lie to KIA officials, all these sleeper agents we have here, because remember, mimi niko hapa and I'm not flying. There are so many of my friends who are here. Tunatembea tu. Watu wanakunywa kahawa. It's like a flash mob. If they come up with a stupid deal, hapa hakuna ndege itatoka. So umesikia my friends have said they've stayed here since 4. Hakuna ndege inatoka hapa.
Walikuwa waende 4, waliingia
like 4:15. So
waliingia 10.
Yes, they've just been chilling. Madam. Si unajitesa sana. Hiyo kazi ufai kuwa unafanya sana. Hii
nitapata wapi gorogoro?
Hiyo gorogoro ndio wanajaribu kukuibia. Hiyo
inabidi tufanye ndio
sawa. Lakini ingekuwa mimi wacha tu. Yeah, so absolutely.
Apart from Adani, how does it feel ukitembea hivi unaona people are appreciating the kind of work that you're doing?
I mean, like, I'm very grateful that people appreciate the work that we're doing, because one, it's a difficult work, it's a dangerous work. You don't know how you've seen the arrest of my friend Buka. Here, he was en route to China to sanitize whatever lies that this corrupt government had taken to China. He was arrested here. But now tumerudi tuna inject Githurai. We'll inject everywhere and we'll ensure none of these corrupt guys. If Adani cut a deal with certain individuals and now he's feeling swindled, the Kenyan people will not sanitize it. Aende assault. The only ndege hapa wanafikiria hii ni aviator. Si wanadanganya watu domestic flights that they are traveling out. No one is going to travel out of this country. Domestic wanasongeshwa tu wanaambiwa waende waketi. Hapa wanafikiria ina
watoe jam nje.
Watu wa control tower si wako mgomo. Yes. Wako mgomo na sisi. And that's what we're saying. We stand in solidarity, and when we say it, we mean it. We've scanned this entire airport. You've seen the feedback has been absolutely positive, and people really appreciate the work that we're doing. And they're asking to tunafanya maandamano next. When hii ni maandamano already, whenever flights are supposed to be taking off and landing at JKIA, and they are not, we've succeeded in our protests. Whenever people are supposed to be transacting, still moving goods or whatnot, and those goods are not moving. This airport has been grounded the entire day. Watu wa control tower wako huku meeting wanadanganywa, alafu wanadanganya domestic flights watatoka. Kwani unafikiri hii ni aviator?
So kuna pia wale watu wako tuseme
yes sir. Mzima niko salama baba.
Kuna wale watu wako mahali kama Dubai walikuwa wanastahili kuingia leo.
Waingie tu. Lakini waingilie huko Kitale, Taputengele, whatever, mama airstrip. Hapa JKIA hakuna biashara itafanyika. We're occupying the airport. And occupation does not necessarily mean noise. No. it means no activity that's destined to happen is happening. That's what we've said.
Do you have any information on those people who are out of the country who are supposed to land in Kenya?
Yeah, of course. You saw a plane which came and circled, alafu it had to go away. Yes, so I'm very happy that happened. They didn't die. It means they just had to reroute and go to whatever other airport. Kuna ingine imekuja hapa ikapiga raundi ikaenda. That's very nice. It's very good progress. However, what we are also saying is that if this deal cost them $1.8 billion or whatever, in Rwanda they're building one using $1.3 billion. If, and I'm saying a huge if Adani is to do anything here, it cannot be here because you cannot renovate this airport for that much. You can buy land and build an entire, tunasema waende ya reclaim Indian Ocean huko chini and watengeneza airport huko chini ya maji outside the Kenyan space. It won't happen. It's not going to happen. Nothing is coming in, nothing is coming out. And we're happy. Personally, I'm very happy. And I'm very proud of these people.
Oh.